Good morning, first grade. This is for the math group, the champions. Champions, can you turn in your math book to page 263? Turn in your math books to page 263. Now, as we look at number one, it wants us to set the minute hand, okay? So here we are working with a clock and we have to set the minute hand. Notice they already given us the hour hand. So you look at the time that they give you. For example, this clock says 5:30. Notice the shorthand is pointing at the 5. Now I have to figure out what time is 30. So remember, you always count by 5 starting at the number 1. Let's see how far we can get to 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 stops at 6, so you draw your hand to the number 6. As seen here, as I just showed. Let's go to the next one. It says 11:45. First, let me set my hour hand to 11. Now we have to figure out what number is 45. Remember, you can always find out by counting by 5, starting at the number 1. We're trying to get to 45. Let's count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 45. 45 is to 9. So I'm going to draw this line over to 9. So this is 5:30 and this is 11:45. So for number 1, all you have to do is just set the minute hand. Remember, you're counting by 5s. You're counting by 5s to find out the correct minute hand. Looking at number 2, it wants us to circle the digit in the hundredths place. Number 2 wants us to circle the digits in the hundredths place. So let's look at the first number here on the board, 527. 527. Notice I indicated what does each place mean. This is the ones place, tens place, and hundredths place. And for number 2, we are only circling a digit in the hundredths place. So we will circle the number 5. Now let's look at the next number, 434. You're looking for the digit in the hundredths place. What number am I circling? Great job. I'm circling the number 4. So as you look at the number 2, make sure you take your time. You're circling the digits in the hundreds, not the ones or tens, but you're looking for the digit in the hundreds place. Looking at number 3 wants us to count backwards. Starting at the number 50, we're going to 21. We're counting backwards. Notice they gave us a few numbers, okay? So we have 50, 49, 48, 47. What comes next? Good job. 46. Keep going. 45. Keep going. 44. 43. 42. 41. 40. What's next? 39. That's where I'm going to stop right there. So you're counting backwards by 1. You're going to stop at 21. So you're going to finish the rest of that chart. As we look at number 4, it just asks us one simple thing: to find Sunday and circle Sunday's date. Notice we have the 7 days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we are to circle Sunday's date. Notice Sunday is right here in this column. And we are circling the date for Sunday. So we're circling number 7. Okay, so look at number 4. We are circling number 7 to represent Sunday's date. Flip the page over to page 264. We look at number 1. Number 1 asks us how long are the tulips. Notice you have 2 different measurements. The first one is centimeters. So use your ruler on the centimeter sign to measure that first tulip. And then you're going to flip your ruler over for the second one, for the inches side. Now as we look at number 2, it asks us to mark the bubble under the correct sign. Notice, it's the greatest sign and the least. So we have to figure out what goes in between this missing spot right here. Let's look at the first number. We have 11 and 31. So is 11 greater than 31 or less than? Good job. 11 is less than. So you'll bubble that answer right there. And as we go over to the next one, we have 110 and 55. So out of this number, is 110 greater than 55 or is 110 less than 55? That is correct. 110 is greater. So when you look at your paper for number 2, make sure you take your time and bubble in the correct answer. Look at number 3. It says Tanya and Tina each took their lunch to school every school day last week. How many lunches did their mother make? So just like we practice in class, we break down this word problem. First, we have to figure out Tanya and Tina. That's the first factor right there. So underline that. That's 2. Now, how many days of the week are there for school? How many days do you go to school in a week? Good job. You go to school 5 days a week. That right here. You go to school 5 days a week. So, and Tanya and Tina. That's 2. So that sounds like lunches for both Tanya and Tina. So, you put the first 5 right there for Tanya. And you put the other 5 right here for Tina. Now, is this a subtraction problem or an addition problem? You're trying to figure out how many. That sounds like an addition problem. That's correct. So you put the plus sign right there and equal. So whatever your answer is, you can put it in these 2 boxes. 5 plus 5. Remember, because there are 5 school days in a week. And so 5 lunches for Tanya and 5 lunches for Tina. The second part of number 3 says Alex had 2 dimes and 1 quarter. How many cents did he have? So we have to figure out how much change did he have. So 2 dimes. I noticed I put 10 and 10. That represents 2 dimes. 20 cents. Good job. Now a quarter is worth 25 cents. Now is this an addition problem or subtraction problem? You're trying to figure out how many coins did he have? How much change did he have? Yes, that is an addition problem. So what you're going to do, it's already set up. You're going to write your answer down here. Okay? You're adding 20 cents plus 25 cents. You can figure out how much change did Alex have. And for number 4, you're just going to write the answer to the combinations that I asked you. So let's start off with letter A. Letter A, what is 3 plus 8? Letter A, 3 plus 8. Letter B, 11 minus 7. Letter B, 11 minus 7. Letter C, 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 for letter C. Letter D, 9 minus 3. Letter D, 9 minus 3. Letter E, 5 plus 4. For letter E, 5 plus 4. And letter F, 10 minus 3. Letter F, 10 minus 3.